Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this part of series second challenge, is mainly here we have two questions. Write a SQL statement that will show count of schemas, tables and columns. Do not include views. Okay, using the AdventureWorks database. Already we loaded the AdventureWorks database. So if you are not seeing the first video, AdventureWorks loading the video, first look into that video, SQL Server installation and loading the data, AdventureWorks. Okay, and second query we'll look later. So first we have to look into this first query. So in this first query, we are using the tables called as mainly sys.tables. So I will try to as select a star from sys.tables. So this is one table we had to use sys.tables. Okay, so here in this one, system tables are available. Okay, and other one, select a star from sys.columns. Sys.columns. Here in the question asking as count of schemas, tables and columns. So tables we seen and columns. So columns, this table, and similar way we'll get with schemas. Schemas. So if I execute this one, I'm getting this one, schema ID, name, principal ID. So if I execute these three tables, uh, first one, second one, third one, okay. First table as so list of tables, second one list of column tables and schema table. Okay. Now, so for these three tables, we need to join first. So because if we are if in the query if we are using with three tables, just we have to first join. So then we will get all the three tables. Then we will get with the count of schemas, tables, and columns. So for this, first I'm writing it to select from this dot tables. So tables has T. I will mention this for time being select a star. Later I will mention with the column name and join. So join with this columns. This dot columns. Columns has alias C on uh, C dot object ID. So in both tables, object ID is available. I'll follow with object ID equals to T dot object ID. Okay, so this is the join condition. So now inner join this one. So I will get this in this one. Okay, two tables are joined, common records. Next thing, join with another table. So join sys dot schemas. So schemas yes on s dot schema ID equal to t dot schema ID. So again, I will execute this part. Okay, I will get 44 records. So three tables are joined. Now we want only count of schemas. So count of, right? Count of. So here count of, I will try to write as s.name as schema. Okay, I'll write schema name by default. So if I execute this one, I'll get the count of schema. Similarly, I'll try to write with other one, comma, count of t dot name. So table's name, right? T dot name as so table name. Okay, and again we'll copy and paste it here. Now this time we will get with column name. So c dot name For table, we'll rename to column name. Okay. So three count of schemas, tables, and columns. So do not include the views. So only we are including this one. So I will get with the something is missing. Schema 44, tables 44, column names 44. No. So I think distinct will use distinct. So why I'm using the distinct colors here, duplicates are added. So we are getting with after joining these tables, we are getting all the matched records, but we want only the count of distinct count. So I will use with distinct. I think column names, there is no distinct. Okay. So if I execute this one, okay. So schema name is 1, table name is 5, column names are 44. So the same thing we will try to write with, so this is method 1. Method 1. So the same thing we'll try to write with method 2 also. So method 2, I will copy the up to this part, right? This table name, schema name, and from part I will show you. So from part is, so instead of using with sys.tables, I will use with another table name called as, that is the information schema. So information schema dot columns. Information schema from columns. Okay. And in this one, where we'll filter it out. So where table name, so filter condition I will show you here in this part. Filter condition is select table name from information schema dot views. So in this part, select table name from information schema dot views. We will get with the this one SPT values. Okay. So other than this, we will get with the this above query. So other than this means, so table name not in. Okay. So after the not in, other than this. So above query will execute other than this one. Okay. So any table name. So here this one will change the table schema for schema name, and for table name we'll give as so table name, and column name as, so direct will write as column name. Okay. Now I will execute this part. Second method. Second method, I will get the schema name 1, table name 5, and column name as 44. So above query also we get the same thing only. 1, 5, 44. Okay. So this is the first query output. Then look into second query. Second query is basically write a similar statement as part, but list each schema, table, column. Do not include the views. Similar statement as part of, but list we have to provide. Instead of the count, we have to provide with the list. So we have to use the same thing, but we'll remove the count part. So I will just try to write copy with this method only, method 1. So in method 1, I will remove the count part. I think distinct also not required here in this part. So s.name as schema name, and this one table name, comma. This one also we have to remove count. Okay. So column name. So now we'll try to execute. So in method 1, the second question is only instead of the count, we are displaying the list of each schema. So we'll execute this one. So I'm getting with you look the table, entire table. Okay. So I'm getting the 44 rows. So earlier we get the schema name 1 DBO. So one is that is only one schema, but it is repeated because of there we are not using the distinct. We'll display each and every list. So table name we'll get with earlier 5. So now 5 tables, 1, 2, 3, 4. Another one something in between. Yeah, here fallback usage and fallback dev. 2 tables are there, and column names 44. That is unique rows only. So 44 rows. So this way we'll get with the method 1, and method 2 also we'll use the same thing. I'll copy this one. Method 2. Here I'll remove with this count part. Count. Next to this one also count only comma. Distinct also will remove. And here this one. Okay. Now table schema, schema name, table name, column name. Okay, fine. And everything is to be same only. And here we'll use as a distinct keyword. Okay. And I think we are not using distinct keyword. We'll see the result how we'll get it. Execute. So 44 rows we are getting. If I use distinct, what happened in the table name? Distinct. Okay. I think distinct also will get the same thing. Yeah, same thing. There is no difference. So because the inner query, we are not getting any part. So not in. So we are not getting this part. So other than this, we will display this above table. Okay. So this one will use with the second method. So this is good. Method 1 and method 2, we are good. And okay, so this is the second challenge. So please, I will share this code in the video description. Please look into and you can practice. Okay, let's look into the challenge 3, another video. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.